Okay, today we are, as you probably, if you're watching any of these videos, it's the end of March. We're experiencing social distancing time guidelines, and we're taking this time to catalog a lot of our neighborhoods that we sell in and around the Athens area. So today I'm actually doing this video of the Station, which again is similar to another property, the Retreat South, and the Retreat, which is downtown. The Station is student housing property, almost 100% probably occupied currently by students. Owned by investors or often UGA parents. The Station is located just off of Millage Avenue. It's on Davis Street, which is close to, well, you might find Moose Club condos, Davis Estates, and also Brookshire Commons. So the Station is right here on what is called the old Moose Club property. Used to be a Moose Club here, Moose Club Lodge. Used to be a small field that people played softball on, baseball. Developed also by Landmark Properties, which is a large student housing developer based here in Athens, but they do develop across the country. This was developed in 2007, and it's probably the newest of these student-like cottages built by Landmark in the area, and it's probably the most valued location. None of the properties are in bad areas, but this is right on the edge of the Five Points area of Athens. So you're on Millage Avenue, south side, close to the loop, still close to campus, and it collects probably about $520 per bedroom. Every plan in this neighborhood is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. There are no 3 bedrooms. We have one under contract right now that should close around that $250 number. I can't really disclose what it will close at till it closes, but if you're thinking around $250,000, that's probably where we're going to land. Now, much like the Retreat South, it was built by Landmark, and you have basically 3 types of plans. So the one you're looking at right there, that's going to be the Brookshire plan, which is 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. That's another Brookshire. You can kind of tell by the small door threshold. And then if you come to this one right here, it's the next tan one that's 46. It's a little taller. That's called the Artisan plan. So 4-4. You've got 3 bedrooms up, 1 bedroom down. And through this little area right here, you're going to be basically rotating between an Artisan plan and a Brookshire. So there's a Brookshire 4.5, and here's another one. And then we'll come up to this number 42, which will be an Artisan plan 4-4. There is another plan here called the Thornberry, which has 2 bedrooms down, 2 bedrooms up, more of a front porch. We're just kind of on this middle row right now. So, much like Retreat South and the Retreat, these are the same floor plans. They rent almost exclusively to students. There's no regulation in the HOA that says they have to rent to students, but that's mostly what we see. I'm going to take a right here because we've got a couple Thornberries to take a look at, which have the front porch, and you can see this front porch. So that window up there is a laundry room, and 2 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down. And as we come right through here, I will just kind of point out where the pool is. Values around 250s, rent around 2,100, 2,300 in that range as we're sitting here in March 2020. Very popular. They rent very, very easily. And a lot of investors own these, along with UGA parents. We sell a lot of these cottages. Oftentimes it's hard to get one to market. We have to work with buyers to sort of look under the rocks and beat the door, so to speak, to find a seller. But the Station is a great area, especially if you're looking for possible investment in student housing and rental properties. The Station, Athens, Georgia, student housing.